How to use Airtable to manage your content calendar. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Airtable to manage your content calendar. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Open Airtable and click Start from Scratch. Name your base something like Content Calendar and choose an icon for easy access. Rename your first table to Posts. Add columns for title, platform, status, due date, and assign to. You can also add a checkbox for Published. Use the Calendar view to visually plan your posts by due date. Switch to Kanban view to manage content by status like Draft, In Review, or Published. Add filters to focus on upcoming content or posts by platform. Color code your rows to easily spot what's scheduled, delayed, or completed. Share your base with teammates. You can assign tasks, add comments, and track progress in real time. Perfect for teams and solo creators alike. That's all for the video. Airtable makes content planning visual, flexible, and easy to manage. No more spreadsheets or chaos.